Alright, fellas, as you can see, the old 1930 Marx tractor is completely put back together. Tracks are reinstalled too, and, well, every tractor needs an operator, and so we put Snoopy the cowboy, farm boy, in charge of this little tractor. Made him a little steering wheel, a yellow rim to match the yellow of the tractor stripes, and his hat. Looking pretty decent. Now we're gonna take him off the turntable here, wind him up, and show you how he works. Sit tight a second. Alright, Snoopy, show us what you got. Not bad, not bad. Nice slow crawl. Not bad, but can you crawl a little hill as big as your tractor? Not too bad, Snoopy. Let's see if you can crawl over a little hill here. Put it to the test. Not bad. Okay, let's take it in the opposite direction. Not bad. Whoa. He wants to go again. Alright, boy. You done good. Let's say you done pretty darn good. So, there you got it, guys. 1930 Marx wind-up tractor that basically was discarded. I picked this up in a box lot many years ago. Just never got around to working on it, and it's recently working on the wind-ups, digging out the toys. I came across it, and what you see is what I got. And now with the driver and all, she's looking pretty good. Nice little display piece, and it's a functioning toy that I can show my grandkids with. I'm sure they'll love it. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. Welcome all your comments. Book 'em, Dano.